Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your own Disney Plus subscription. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now here's a quick tip, if you would like to get a Disney Plus subscription for a much cheaper or better price, simply scroll down until you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below where it's going to send you to Gamsgo. It's a website that I've been personally using for the past 3 years, and it's where you can share your account and subscription with other people under one password, and then from there you can share it like a big family, and it will save you a ton of money. So simply sign up, scroll down until you see Disney Plus, purchase now, and then from here, as you can see, you can get 12 months for only 36 euros, and simply go to the promo code and type in code GUMMY, which will give you an additional 5% off. And there you go. Now, in case you would like to sign up with the more traditional way, simply all you have to do is go to disneyplus.com, and then from here you can see the main website where you're going to add your email and then click on sign up now. Now, if the website or the email has been already used, simply click on the old password and then use it, or simply use a brand new email. But once you do that, it will show you to this page where you're going to complete the subscription, and then from here you're going to select whichever amount you're more comfortable with, and then simply click on the standard or premium option, and then fill in your credit card information or your PayPal account, pay it, and now you have your own Disney Plus subscription. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.